Alright, boys and girls, welcome to Going Guitar. I'm having fun with a song from Martin Garrix and Arijit Singh. They do Angels for Each Other. I'm aware this is not a typical guitar song, but hey, there are no limits. At least when we are listening to this kind of songs like Angels for Each Other's no limits, so you can handle this with a guitar. Let's have some fun with the capo set here high up on the 7th fret, alright? So with that we have 4 chords and they go in the same way through the entire song. We'll learn them first and we will start with this A minor. And that goes open A, second D, second G, first B, and open E. Next chord is C. Very easy transition. You play third A, second D, open G, first B, and open E. And then comes the G, and I will play and stay with this first fret B string. Normally no, but this time yes. So this is for this specific song. So you're gonna play third E, second A, open D, open G, first B, and open E, and the last chord will be the F sus chord, and that goes third on D, open G, first B, and open E. We'll learn the strumming first. So the strumming goes like this. It's a pretty long one, but it will be played almost in the same way through the entire strumming. All right, so what you need to learn is to think in clusters of 3. Okay, so down, 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 and I play on the top strings for the first down, and then on the next 2 downs I play on the bass strings, and that is one part of it. Okay, you're gonna play 4 times like that. Okay, so top bass, bass, top bass, bass, top bass, bass, top bass, bass, top bass, bass. Okay, so that is how you're gonna play for 4 times, and then in the last 5th part of it, you're gonna play 4 downs and alternates between the top and bass, top and bass. Okay, so that will be all that one full string around. So top bass bass 4 times, and the 5th time you're gonna play top bass, top bass. So slowly it goes like this. That is 1 round. You're gonna play like that, 1 per chord. So A minor, C, G, and F, like this. And that is the plain strumming. Now, if you want, you can take it to the next level and play the notes. And I'm gonna give you notes for each and every chord now, starting with A minor. I'm gonna give a bass to the first note. So for each and every chord, you have 1 bass. So for A minor, it's the open A. For C, it's the third A. For G, it's the third E. And for F, it's the third D. And I'm gonna play the melody to that. So for A minor, open A together with first B, then open B, second G, open G, and 2 times on second G. So then for C comes so that will be to play third E together with open G, then third E again, then open D, then second D, and open G. Then for the G, you're gonna play third E in the bass together with first B, then third B, open B, and then open B to first B to open B. And I used hammer-on and pull-off technique, so I just picked the first open B. And then I hammer on to get the first, and I pull off to get the open B again. And then you pick the open G as the last note there. And for the F sus, you're gonna play third D together with open E, in the high E, then open G, second G, then second G again, open G, and second G, and open B. So melody goes like this. And if you want to take it up an extra level to it, you can try to get these notes within the strumming. Then, of course, you cannot think about high and lows when it comes to strumming. Now your goal is just to get the notes right and just to hammer that down and try to emphasize the notes you're playing in this strumming, okay? And you do that in the way that you try to get as pointy as possible when it comes to the strokes, downstrokes, all right? Because if you go full downs all the way, you will not hear the melody. So you try to really pinpoint the notes you're playing. It could sound something like this. And I could need some more practice than I just had, like 5 minutes or so. I believe you can handle this much better. So give it a shot. Garrix and Singh, they do Angels for each other. Hope you enjoyed this one and hope to see you soon here again. Till next time, play tuned.